So my wife's bought this shelving, some special shelving for about £15 to put the baby monitor up in this corner here. With our elder son we had a shelf so it was easier, but now that we've got this big wardrobe, we need something quite handy and good basically. So we've got this thing. Like I said, it costs £15, so it's not cheap. So I'm gonna fix it up and see how good it is. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is position the shelf at the right height, which is recommended at about 1.2 to 1.8 meters maximum, and about 3 feet, which I would say about half meter max, away from the cot. So ours is right above, sort of right corner above the cot, which is fine. You can also just get someone to help you and hold the monitor at this angle just to see if you can get the right angle, which we did, me and my wife did, and we know it's sort of this angle and height, which is perfect. Then what you need to do is put some pencil marks where the adhesive velcro will go onto. So I've put an angled line on both sides so I know exactly how to attach it, and then the velcro here, one set will go on the wall there, so you can see I'm just lining it up with there. Obviously I have to detach these, just a pair here, one on there, one on there, and then another set of velcro will go on to the shelf itself. Then you can take the shelf off quite easily. Obviously if you want to do a permanent fix to the wall, then you just screw it through these holes. So after you clean the surface of the wall, you can use water or sort of a drying alcohol. I've put on the velcro tape in line with that mark I made beforehand, and then you have to let it dry and get glued onto the wall for about good 24 hours so it's nice and firm, and then you do the same with the velcro that will go on there. So about just lining up there, and you keep these pull tabs away from the corner, and then when I put the velcro on there, I'll obviously line it up to the edge. Here we have a Motorola model number MBP26. Comes with obviously this camera and monitor. We had this for our older son as well. It's really good. You can use the buttons here to change the angles of the camera while it's on there, and you can also press this button to speak to the baby if the baby wakes up. Full screen it is. I think it's black and white, but it's still really good quality. The next step is to attach this sticky universal clip to the bottom of the camera, so then it can sit nicely on the shelf, nice and firm. And then, like I said, we can change the angle of the camera manually or with the monitor, and then the clip attached to the camera will go here. So again, once we stick the clip on, we need to leave it in for about 24 hours so it's nice and firm as well. So it's been 24 hours, and now all you have to do is just line up the pairs of velcro and attach it nice and firm. There we go. This side as well. That's it. There we go. And then what we can do is put the wire. You can feed the wire just through the back. Okay, after attaching the wire to the camera, last but not least, just clip, and voila, that's all set up. Quite simple, to be honest. And here's my little Baba sleeping away. And he's actually coloured, I forgot, but it's a colour monitor. Even better. And there's the camera.